In this video, I will compare Kraken and Kraken Pro to help you decide which platform best suits your cryptocurrency trading needs right now. So I will show you what Kraken is about and what Kraken Pro is about, and I will divide this video into certain topics. So I will talk about a platform overview, the fees and costs, the futures and use cases, the ease of use, and I will make a final verdict. So let's not wait any longer and dive into this video. So starting off with Kraken Pro. Kraken Pro is tailored for advanced traders, providing professional tools, detailed analytics, and access to over 200 cryptocurrencies. And Kraken, on the other hand, is designed for beginners, offering a straightforward interface with simple buy and sell options and access to over 200 cryptocurrencies. What about the fees and the costs? Well, Kraken charges higher fees for instant buy-sell transactions, such as 3.75% plus 25 cents for card purchases and 0.5% for bank transfers. Kraken Pro, on the other hand, utilizes a maker-taker fee structure, starting at 0.25% for makers and 0.40% for takers, with fees decreasing based on trading volume. And what about the features and use cases? Well, Kraken Pro is best for experienced traders requiring advanced order types, API access, and comprehensive charting tools. Kraken, on the other hand, is ideal for beginners seeking a user-friendly platform with basic trading features and access to an NFT marketplace. And what about the ease of use? Well, Kraken offers a simple and intuitive interface suitable for newcomers to cryptocurrency trading, and Kraken Pro provides a more complex interface with advanced features catering to professional traders. And let's make a final verdict about the two. I would say choose Kraken if you're new to cryptocurrency trading and prefer a straightforward platform with easy buy and sell options, and go for Kraken Pro if you are an experienced trader seeking advanced tools, lower fees, and greater control over your trades. So let me know in the comments which platform you prefer. Anyways, thank you for watching, and then I will see you in the next one.